friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add box shadow in image in Elementor, right? As you can see, right now I am editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and for creating a section we need to click on plus icon in the middle of the screen. So we have clicked on that. Now it is asking us about the layout, whether we want flexbox or grid. You can select as per your convenience. Here right now I am selecting grid, and in the structure I am selecting the first one, the 2 column and 1 row, right, grid. So here we are going to add an image box, right? So for adding an image box, you just need to move your cursor on the black header line and you will find an add element button, the plus icon. You need to click on that, and in the left side toolbar in the widgets you need to search for image. Okay, so image widget is over there. You just need to drag and drop this image into the first column of newly created section. You can also add container and then add image. Here we are adding directly, right? So as per your requirement. Now you can simply edit this image from the left side toolbar itself. The content, style and advanced settings are there, right? We are going to choose an image in the content setting first. So choose image, we have clicked on choose image button, and now I'm going to add this image and click select from the media library. Okay, so image have been added. Now we are going to add box shadow to this particular image, right? So for that you need to move to the style settings, and in the style settings you need to scroll down and you will find a box shadow setting option in the last, right? You need to edit that particular box shadow, and for editing you just need to click on pen icon in the front of box shadow, and here you can simply select the color, what kind of shadow color you want. So for example, I just want green shadow, so I have simply selected this green color from the color palette, right? Now coming to the horizontal, vertical and blur and spread, like we can simply increase the horizontal, right? If we want shadow in the horizontal, or if we want in the vertical, then we can simply increase the vertical, right? We can also blur this shadow, right? And we can also spread this shadow. So depending upon your requirement you can simply do that. And if you want equivalent shadow in all sides, then kindly again make the horizontal to 0 and vertical to again 0. You can also type it manually if you don't want to use this dragger. Okay, so we can simply decrease the blur and can increase the spread, right? So in this way you can simply add the box shadow to an image in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.